sheltered in, and I hope you guys are sheltered in as well. I just want to share with you some of my must-haves on Amazon, because now that we can't get out, we have to order in. So Amazon provides the perfect solution for us to do our self-care routines, things that normally we can get out to do, like going to the nail shop, going to get our brows done, our lashes done, and things like that, and we just can't do it. So I have S&S nails, and this is the first time that I've had them. I've had them for, I got them about 2 months ago, and oh my God, these things are still on my fingernails and I can't take them off. They're like bricks. So for those of you who are like me, who are stuck and can't go to the nail shops because they're all closed down right now, I ordered some little cotton squares from Amazon, and I cut them up into little squares like this, smaller squares. I put on some pure acetone, soak the pad with it, and then I clip my little finger clips on to hold it in place. That way I can literally get things done while I'm soaking off these nails. So guys, I'm trying to get the nails off. So if you're having that problem, go to Amazon and get you some of these little things, get you some pure acetone. There's a really nice one by Eternal Pure. It's called Eternal Pure Acetone. And these little clips are by Hymo. So order them and they'll deliver them to your door. You won't have to go anywhere. And for brows. Okay, so every day I just tweeze a little. Guys, you can do it. I have faith in you. And if you can't see like me, just get you a magnifying mirror. You can also order that on Amazon, but I have one. So I have these little lady tweezers. They're shaped like a lady. She looks like me. I don't know if you can see her. She has glasses. She has black hair. She has brown skin. She looks like me, and she has happy written across her t-shirt. And she makes me happy because I can tweeze my brows, and my brows look fresh all the time, so I don't scare my husband with bushy brows. Okay, so the next thing that I do at home, and you can do at home too, is, okay, the girls who get lash extensions, not that you need to wear them inside, but I have a girlfriend who gets them, and now she can't go to the girl to get her lashes done because we're on lockdown pretty much. She doesn't like to look at herself without them. So if you're one of those girls and you need a lash pick-me-up, I don't know if you can see this name, but I'll let you know what it is here. Oh gosh, the light is too bright. But anyway, it's called ARIMIKA, and they're cruelty-free, reusable lashes, and they come in a 3-pack. And you have a really light, wispy one, and you have a medium density one, and then you have a heavier one. But they're all wearable for inside if you just can't stand to look at yourself without the lashes. Okay, so another thing that I do every morning is when I get up, I cleanse my face with my EQUATE wipes, and they're 99% derived from natural ingredients. And I can clean my face with this, and I don't have to follow up with a wash. And I really love them. They're nice and juicy, and I don't know, this is just amazing, especially when you run out of your favorite cleanser and you need to really clean your face. This is something that you can do to get you through until, you know, you can get the stuff that you really love, because we can't go out. Everything's not on Amazon, but these are on Amazon, so get you some. After that, what I do is, guys, we have to moisturize our skin, because when we get back out there in those streets, we want to be looking right. We don't want to be looking crusty. So Farmacy has this really beautiful hydrating oil called Honey GRAIL, and oh my God, it's so light. It just absorbs right into your skin. It doesn't sit on the surface, and it's really hydrating, and it makes your skin feel like velvet. I love it. I use this every morning, and then I use, my lips are super dry. I have dry skin, so you know, my husband's in the house, so I kind of have to get up and look like something, guys. So I like this tinted lip moisturizer by Fresh. It's the color is Rose. It's called Sugar Rose by Fresh, and it's like a rosy color, but it's sheer, and it just gives my lips a bit of color, makes them look a little rosy. So, you know, maybe I can get some kisses throughout the day. I don't want to scare them in. So anyway, my skin, like I said, is real dry, and AQUAPHOR is a must-have, guys. You can get this on Amazon, okay? For those ashy elbows, knees, the feet. You know, we're not getting to the nail shop. So, you know, for those of you who have dry feet and you can't go out and get the pedicure, use AQUAPHOR in the morning and night. At night, I put this on and I sleep in socks so that it really gets nice and hydrated and moisturized and makes my feet feel soft in the morning. So, when I get up in the mornings, I always need my coffee. This you can order on Amazon. It's an espresso. I like DHARKAN. It's like the really strong one. You make a cup of espresso. I do it with like a quarter of a cup of milk. And what I do is put like a small scoop of protein powder in it. It's called VEGA protein and greens. You can get this on Amazon. It's really amazing. Not only is my coffee giving me a pickup, but it's also giving me a nutritional value as well. So this is a vanilla flavor because I love vanilla, and it has 20 grams of protein. It has 1 gram of sugar. It's gluten-free. It's really good for you when we're not able to get to the store and get those vegetables that we need to eat every day. This is a great substitute for getting those fresh greens. You just put a supplement into your coffee and you got power coffee. So this is what I do every morning. Okay, let's talk about hair. So I have not washed my hair literally in about 10 days. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I don't have to, you know. My husband does the smell check. It still smells good. But, you know, we girls of color, when we have this coarse hair, we don't have to wash it every day because it dries it out. So what we have to do is just keep it clean and keep the oil out of it. And I found this really, really great substitute for dry shampoo. It's by Oribe. It's a dry texturizing spray, and they've revolutionized some ingredient or technique that you're able to dry the oil from your hair, give your hair volume, and not have that white residue that most dry shampoos leave behind. So I used this today on my hair, and it looks like I just washed my hair. It's so amazing, guys. You have to have this for when we're locked down and we can't get out to the hairdresser. So get it, guys. I will give you the links to all this stuff on Amazon, and I want you to go check all this stuff out and let me know what you think. Finally, I want to talk about my amazing product, GLAM. It's a makeup iPhone case, and for you guys out there who still have the iPhone all the way up until the 8 Plus, I know a lot of you have graduated from that, but this is my first generation product, and we're working on a new GLAM 2.0, which is going to be amazing because it's going to give you more flexibility. It's going to be compatible with most of the smartphones on the market. And it's going to give you the ability to create your own or curate your own palette inside using standard size refills from products that you love that are always on the market. But anyway, this one goes up to 8 Plus, and you have everything you need, all your essentials right here in one full swoop in a small little compact container. And trust me, guys, I used the lipstick today. I filled my brows in with it today. I used the bronzer here. I used the concealer. You can literally do your whole face with this little palette, and it snaps right into your phone. We don't go anywhere without our phones, guys. What a perfect way to carry your essentials is, on your phone, because we don't leave without our phones. And you can find this on Amazon, and they're replaceable, refillable. They come in light, medium, and dark. And when we get back on the road, because I'm ready to get back on the road, I'm an on-the-go girl, we're gonna need our makeup essentials with us at all times so we can look great and feel great all the time. So I think that's it, guys. These are some of my must-haves that I order on Amazon because I can't get out. And I want you to try them, check them out, and let me know what you think. I'm going to share all the links with you so that you can go and find them easily and get back with me. Okay, guys? All right, thanks. See you soon.